And here I am with our 17-foot version of our arm, which comes in 3 pieces, 1, 2, and 3, and all pieces are completely different to make sure that you don't have to look for which piece goes where. Okay, so the most important thing is to make sure that when you're putting the first piece, you want to make sure that the holes are on the top, the holes that are going to attach to the connector. If you don't, just flip it around, but make sure that those holes are here, because once you connect it, you want to be able to screw it in. So then, as I said, we are supplying some packets of grease. However, it makes a very easy installation to just use the WD-40. So I'm going to apply some WD-40. Here we go. And then, in order to make sure to know which one is which, all you have to check is basically, do we have the logo aligning? So as you can see, it's the same way. So it means that this piece goes here. There we go for the first part. And then we just repeat the operation. For the last part. We can take a little cloth, paper, make sure that it's all over. And make sure we have the holes as well. And now that the 3 sections are complete, we can use the provided screws and Allen key to close it. And you can add the light on the top, bumper at the bottom, light on the top, light at the bottom. And the most important is always to remember to use the counterweight for the 17-foot version that is made especially for this arm. So all you have to do is just remove the cap, align the holes, and slide in the counterweight, attach it, and just close it back in. And here is the assembly of the 17-foot arm from All Security Equipment.